Good morning, one and all. Yesterday, we have discussed about the procedure for solving concentric circle method examples. We have discussed the different types of circular convolution. The types are given: concentric circle method, matrix method, and DFT IDFT method. So we will discuss one by one, and with some examples, we will understand how the convolution can be performed, the circular convolution can be performed using these three different methods. Okay, so first note down this example. Find a circular convolution of two finite duration sequences. Just note down that. Find circular convolution of two finite duration sequences. Find circular convolution of two finite duration sequences. X1 of n is equals to 4, 3, 5, 2 and X2 of n equals to 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about the procedure for the same. What is the procedure? Can anyone read it? Please read the procedure of solving concentric circle method so that everyone will follow that. So who will read it? Quickly.
Step 1.
Okay.
Plot x1 of p as equal space the points around an outer circle in counterclockwise direction. Step 2. Start at the same point as x1. Graph n7 equally space the points around inner circle in clockwise direction. Step 3. Multiply corresponding samples on the two circles, the product to produce output. Step 4. Rotate the inner circle one sample at a time in a counterclockwise direction and go to the step 3 to obtain the next value of the output. And step 5. Repeat step number 4 until the inner circle first sample lines up with the first sample of exterior circle once again.
Okay. Right. So as for the procedure we will follow, first I will draw the circle. Let us call it is x1 of 0. कैसा plot करना है value हमें? How I need to plot the value on the first circle? In counterclockwise direction, right? X1 of 0 is equals to 4. Then X1 of 1 is equals to 3. X1 of 2 is equals to 5. X1 of 3 is equals to 2. Understood? I'm just plotting the value in a counterclockwise direction.
Sir, x1 of 3 equals to 2 है ना?
हाँ, x1 of 3 equals to 2 है. First 0, 1, 2, 3. Right. x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2 and x1 of 3 equals to 2. ठीक है? Any question here? Any confusion? कोणाला काय डाउट आहे का इथं आता? पहिला step?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the next step. Let me change the color here so that you can understand properly. आता inner circle एक plot करायचा आपल्याला. Let us plot the inner circle. Right. आता यहाँ पे और एक पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है कि यहाँ पे इट इज अ 4 पॉइंट, तो उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, सर्कल को 4 इक्वल पॉइंट में डिवाइड किया. अगर 5 पॉइंट है तो 5 पॉइंट में करने का, 6 पॉइंट है तो 6 पॉइंट में करने का. राइट. एट द सेम लोकेशन आई एम जस्ट लोकेटिंग द अदर वैल्यूज. ठीक है. Here I am just locating the other values. So here this is, I will write it as x2 of 0. This is x2 of 0. कितना है वैल्यू इसका? What is the value of x2 of 0?
3.
3 है. Okay. आणि x2 of sorry. इनर सर्कल की वैल्यू कैसे प्लॉट करना है? क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन पे, ठीक है। यू जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. सो आउटर सर्कल वैल्यूज वी आर प्लॉटिंग इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, और इनर सर्कल x2 ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल्स टू कितना वैल्यू 4, x2 ऑफ 2 is equals to, we have it is 1, and x2 of 3 is equals to, we have it is 2. Understood? यहाँ पे मैंने clockwise plot कर रहा हूँ, right? So on the outer circle we are plotting the value in a anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Whereas in inner circle we are plotting the value in clockwise direction. तो यहाँ पे I am just plotting the value in a clockwise direction. Clear? This is our step 1, right? So with this step I can calculate the value of y of 0. So y of 0 is equals to, अभी 0 location पे जो value है, just take a product of that, this point and this point, right? तो क्या value है वहां पे? 3 into 4, correct? Plus, then again 1th location, what are the values we are having? We have 3 into 1. 3 into 1, right? Plus the next again further value 5 into 1, plus the next again the further value is 4 into 2. 4 into 2. No, this way it's not that way we didn't write. Just a minute. Actually, that product I have to take and we have to write the values here. तो कितना आ रहा y of 0 का वैल्यू अभी? What is the value of y of 0? 1 minute. That's correct. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वैल्यू क्या था आपका? 4 into 3. कितना आ रहा वैल्यू? 4 into 3 ना? 4 into 3. कितना आया वैल्यू यहाँ पे टोटल? What is the value of this? How much it is? 28 आया ना? 28. Okay. This is 12 plus 3, 15. Plus,
Sir.
हाँ.
The 3 into.
Hello.
Sir, the 3 into 2 and not the 2 and x2 value.
3 into 2 कुठला मॅडम?
Sir, x2 of 1 4 आहे आणि x1 of 3 2 आहे.
x2 of?
x2 of 1
4 आहे. Okay, let me write it once again. Maybe you people are getting confusion. Okay, let's remove this. We'll write it once again. I think there is some confusion. Okay. Right, let me take the direct paint I will take so that we can understand easily. तो यहाँ पे अपना पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? x1 कितना है वैल्यूज? x1 इज इक्वल्स टू वी हैव इट इज, व्हाट आर द सैंपल्स? तो बताएंगे मुझे.
4 3 5 2.
4 3 5 2. ओके. और x2 is equals to we have, x2 is equals to we have it is how much?
3 4 1 2.
3 4 1 2. ओके. तो अभी पहला सर्कल प्लॉट करता हूं मैं. So first we are plotting this like a solution for this. Solution. So first circle we will plot. तो यहाँ पे इसको इक्वल डिवाइड कर रहे हैं अभी. Right. This is x1 of 0. I will write it as how much? 4. x1 of 1 is equals to 3, x1 of 2 is equals to 5, or x1 of 3 is equals to 2. Okay, so let me take the different color so that you can understand. The inner circle, अभी inner circle को हम plot कर रहे हैं ऐसा. Okay, and at the same location I am just locating the values. तो यहाँ पे this is our x2 of 0 is how much? x2 of 0 का वैल्यू कितना है? 3. Then x2 of 1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 4. Then x2 of 2 is how much? 1. And this is x2 of 3 is equals to कितना वैल्यू इसका? 2 है ना? This is 2. Right. Now, so we'll calculate y of 0. So y of 0 is equals to first multiplication 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus the next. Can anyone tell me? 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus next क्या है अभी? 4 into 2 बराबर 12 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 कितना है वैल्यू? What is the value here?
31.
31. Correct?
Yes, sir.
बराबर ना? So we got the value of y of 0 as y of 0 is equals to 31. Understood? Any confusion here? Anybody has any confusion? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me go to the second step. This is our step 1. Let's write it is step 1. What about second 2? Second 2 में क्या करना है हमें? Can anyone read second step? Keep outer circle as it is, right? Keep outer circle as it is. तो इसको मैं as it is रख रहा हूँ. Okay. I'm just what is the values? This is like 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, then 2. I'm just writing the outer circle as it is. And what about inner circle? Inner circle क्या करना है हमें?
Rotate करना है.
Okay, we have to rotate in which direction? तो देखो अभी यहाँ पे right here I am just doing this
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise और ये है अपना clockwise. Okay, तो यहाँ पे अभी inner circle प्लॉट करता हूँ. Right. So here I am just writing the values. तो क्या होगा अभी? यहाँ पे x2 of 0 है आपका. So it will start at this value. Right? x2 of 0, then this will be x2 of 3, and this will be x2 of 2, and this will be x2 of 1. ठीक है? वैल्यूज क्या है इसके? x2 of 0 का वैल्यू क्या है? ये हो गया 3 आपका, और ये क्या है वैल्यू? This is 3, then this is what? x2 of 3 का वैल्यू क्या है? 2, और इसका वैल्यू क्या है? 1, और इसका वैल्यू क्या है? 4. Right. Now you just calculate a value of y of 1. क्योंकि हमने 1 स्टेप रोटेट किया है, सो विल गेट द वैल्यू y ऑफ 1. तो क्या आएगा 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus what next 1 into 2 plus sorry ये क्या आएगा अभी? Are you with me? 4 into 4 plus 3
Yes,
into 3. The next 5 into 2.
5 into 2.
5 into 2 plus 2 into 1. क्या है आंसर इसका?
37.
30 कितना था? 37. Okay. The 16 plus 9 25 plus 10 35 plus 2 37. आ गया सबका 37 वैल्यू?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is our step 2. Okay. Then what about step 3? Step 3 will be again, तो अपना आउटर सर्कल एज इट इज रखना है, राइट? अभी ये इनर सर्कल क्या करना है हमें? व्हाट आई नीड टू डू फॉर द इनर सर्कल? Okay, this is I'm just writing it as step 3 again. In step 3 I just kept outer circle as it is, right? So inner circle abhi I'm just going to plot this inner circle. Either you shift the original value by 1 value or 2 value, or you can shift this. ये जो second step वाला है ना, तो ये अभी यहाँ पे आएगा. This will go to this place, right? तो यहाँ पे आपका x2 of 0 आएगा. Then this will become x2 of 3, right? x2 of 0, x2 of 3, and this will become x2 of 2, and this is x2 of 1. ठीक है, वैल्यूज क्या आएंगे? So this will be 3. So this value is going to become 3. Then this is 2. Then this is 1, and this is 4. So you just calculate the value for this and tell me the answer. Y of 2 का आंसर बता दो मुझे. Y of 2 you tell me. Y of 2 is equals to क्या होगा अभी? 1 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 3 plus 2 into 2. कितना आया?
35.
The answer is 35. सबको आया? How many of you got the answer? Hello? Can I get response from the others? This is our step 3. What about step 4? Step 4 ला काय करायचं आपल्याला? और एक वैल्यू से शिफ्ट करना है, राइट? So let me take the step 4 here. This is our step 4. Step 4. अभी step 4 कैलकुलेट करके मुझे आंसर बताएंगे. Just calculate and tell me the answer for step 4. तो अभी अपना यहाँ पे 3 है, so it will go to this is becoming 3, and this is 2, and this is 1, and this is 4. आंसर बताओ इसका अभी मुझे. What is the answer? Y3 of 2. Sorry, Y3 of 3 will be equals to Y of 3 is equals to, we'll get 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1 plus, ये वैल्यू नहीं है यहाँ पे, दिस इज नॉट देयर, ये नहीं है यहाँ पे, 3 into 1 plus
37.
5 into 4 plus 5 into 4 plus 3 into 2. कितना है आंसर? What is the answer here?
37.
37. Okay. आया सबका आंसर इतना?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion here? कुणाला काय confusion आहे का इथं? Is anyone has? Here you need to remember the steps first. First we are plotting the outer circle and we are locating the values in anti-clockwise direction. Then next, plotting the inner circle and locating the values in clockwise direction. With that, first value we will get y of 0 we will get by taking the product and addition. Then next step, we are keeping outer circle as it is and inner circle we are just rotating in clockwise direction with 1 1 value and calculating the answer, right? तो अभी फाइनली आंसर क्या है अपना? What is the answer? Y of n. Y of n is equals to, what is the answer? फर्स्ट कितना आया था? 31 आया था ना? 31, 37, 35, कितना आया था आंसर? 37. बराबर? सबका आया आंसर ये? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now यहाँ पे एक छोटा वेरिफिकेशन करेंगे अभी, so that you can understood whether what the thing you are done, whether it is right or wrong. ठीक है? तो अभी hope everyone has understood. यहाँ पे किसी कोई डाउट? Shall I remove this? Hope
Yes,
everyone
sir.
has noted properly. तो अभी मैं यहाँ पे एक वेरिफिकेशन मेथड बताता हूँ आपको कि कैसा चेक करना है इसका आंसर, या आंसर सही है या गलत है बोल के. राइट, लेट मी टेल यू दैट पार्ट. आप लोगों को टेबलर कॉलम मेथड पता है ऑलरेडी? वी नो टेबलर फॉर्म मेथड. क्विकली करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यू
Yes, sir.
जस्ट डू दैट पार्ट. लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल डू इट क्विकली. टेबलर मेथड से इसका आंसर कैलकुलेट करो. Just calculate the answer with tabular method. This is 4, 3, 5, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. चलो आंसर कैलकुलेट करके बताओ मुझे इमीडिएटली. Till that time, let me take the attendance also. Can you repeat? Can you repeat again? 12. Yes.
12, 25, 31, 37, 1, 1,
31. Okay.
37, 19, 12, 4.
19, 12, 4. ठीक है, अभी ये आंसर हमें आया। अभी आप लोगों को पता चला होगा कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन, मे बी यू अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन एंड लीनियर कन्वोल्यूशन. फॉर सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन we require length of the input sequences should be equal. ठीक है, अगर नहीं है तो भी we have to make the length of the input sequence equal by padding zeros. Zero padding बोलते हैं हम उसको. We are calling it as a zero padding, right? And what will be the output length of circular convolution? Length क्या रहता है circular convolution का? Same as our input. If it is 4 point, then output will be a 4 point. Whereas in linear convolution, you can perform a linear convolution if you have the two input sequences which are of not same length, right? If we have two input sequences which are of not मतलब same length अगर नहीं भी है तो we can perform the linear convolution. और what will be the output length of the linear convolution? N is equals to L plus M minus 1, right? So here we have like 4 plus 4 minus 1 is equals to 7 sample. ये 7 sample का output है और ये 4 sample का output है. Getting my point? समझ में आ रहा है क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में, linear convolution और circular convolution में?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I want to convert this linear convolution result into circular convolution result, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? अपना 4 point value है, right? This is the 4 point value. क्योंकि सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन रिजल्ट आई वांट इट इज अ 4 point वैल्यू, राइट? तो अभी मैं क्या करता हूं, टू कन्वर्ट दिस लीनियर कन्वोल्यूशन टू सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन रिजल्ट, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एडिशन ऑफ दिस. कितना है एडिशन इसका? दिस इज लीनियर कन्वोल्यूशन रिजल्ट. आई विल राइट YL ऑफ n और YC ऑफ n मतलब सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन का रिजल्ट. 12 plus 19, how much? 31. Okay. Then next, this second value will be added with the next value. कितना हुआ? 25 plus 12. How much? 37 plus. What next again? So this I am adding with this. तो कितना है आंसर? 31 plus 4 it is 35 एंड लास्ट पे यहाँ पे 0 है मतलब ये सेम 37 आएगा. दिस इज अवर सर्कुलर कन्वोल्यूशन रिजल्ट. अंडरस्टूड? This is just for a verification we are doing this, whether the answer which we have got is right or wrong. So this way we can calculate. Hope you understood this. Any confusion here? Hello? Is anyone has any confusion?
No, sir.
Shall I get response from the boys side? Boys side, can anyone tell me? Any problem, any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is about circular convolution using concentric circle method. Then let's move to the second method. That is, let us understand what is matrix approach. Right? We just write the second title as circular convolution. Circular convolution with matrix method. Circular convolution with matrix method. Circular convolution with matrix method. तो ये ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किए सो यहाँ पे, राइट? So here I have just noted the difference. Can refer this afterwards. Now using matrix method. Please note down the title. Circular convolution using matrix approach or matrix method. Noted? लिख लिया सब लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us understand this, what exactly it is. In this method, a circular convolution of the two sequences, let's call it as x1 of 1 and x1 of 2. Or here it is, we are writing like x1 of n and x2 of n we can write. So we can perform or we can write a matrix in this format, right?
Support.
Hello. So we have to write a matrix in this format. So here this is y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, it should be like this, right? Which will be equals to, we are writing it as, actually we just make it is, the correction will be, this is, एक मिनट है, तो ये यहाँ पे y of 0, y of 1 आएगा, this is y of 1, this is y of 2, y of n minus 1, sorry, n minus 2, and this is y of n minus 1, which will be equals to h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, up to h of n minus 2, and h of n minus 1, h of n minus 1, h of 0. You just note down this matrix, and the simplest form I will just tell you after this. So yeah, this is a general matrix approach I am just mentioning here. Please note down this, and we will take one small example so that you can understand very easily. Now this is the way how we have written the matrix. Let us take our example. अपना example ये है यहाँ पे. Okay. Let me take out this part. अभी ये यहाँ पे आपका example है. Okay. Right. So for the same example we will write. अभी क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे? It is given x1 of 0 is there, present है x1 of 1, ऐसा लिखता हूँ मैं इसको. Here x1 of 0, okay. We'll write it as it is 4 point. We will write y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, or y of 3. This is the left side part. We'll write is equals to, यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशन है आपके. Either you can take x1 मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म और you can take x2 मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म. कोई भी एक वैल्यू हम मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, राइट? तो यहाँ पे अभी आई एम हैविंग द वैल्यू 3, 4, 1, 2. ठीक है. अदरवाइज थोड़ा और एलॉबरेट करना है इसको है तो आई कैन टेक इट इज लाइक दिस. x2 of 0 ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसको हम एक बार समझने के लिए. x2 of 0, x2 of 1, x2 of 2, or x2 of 3. Okay, so then I am taking this x2 of 3 here, x2 of 3. उसके बाद ये वैल्यू मैं यहाँ पे ले रहा हूँ. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग दिस पार्ट, x2 of 3 ऊपर लेके आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग नेक्स्ट. फर्दर वैल्यूज आर x2 of 0, x2 of 1, x2 of 2. Okay, उसके बाद I am just taking x2 of 2 here, means last point as a first point, or remaining आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इट एज इट इज अगेन. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ इसको, ये x, sorry, this is not, this is 2, right, not 3, this is 2. Then x2 of 3, x2 of 0, x2 of 1, and at the end again I will write it like this. ये थोड़ा हटा देंगे so that you can understand properly. तो यहाँ पे next I am just writing it as x2 of 1, x2 of 1. Then further part I will write x2 of 3, x2 of 3, x2 of 1, x2 of 3, 3 or 2 it is. I think it's 2 na? 2, ये 2 है. Then x2 of 2, x2 of 3 और x2 of 0. अगर ये मैंने और रिपीट किया तो क्या होता है, सेम प्रोसेस हो जाएगा वहां पे, राइट. So as it is 4 point, we need to write 4 by 4 matrix, and this is multiplied with the another part. Let's call it as x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2 or x1 of 3. So this is a generalized matrix for 4 point again. अगर आप वैल्यू के हिसाब से लिखते हो तो you just take this. तो यहाँ पे so if I want to write the value of this x2 of 0, x2 of 0, x2 of 1, x2 of 2, x2 of 3 का वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे, बताएंगे कोई मुझे? फर्स्ट कॉलम का वैल्यू क्या है? इट इज 3, 4, 1, 2. ठीक है. फॉर while writing a second column, I'm just taking this 2 here as it is. और ये जो पार्ट है as it is लिख रहा हूं मैं 3, 4, 1. Understood how I am writing the second row? Two I am just writing as the first number of the second column. Then remaining values I am just writing as it is, like 3, 4, 1. Then next, ये 1 ऊपर आएगा, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, this will be there, like 4, 1, 2, 3. तो ये मैट्रिक्स कंप्लीट हुआ आपका. अभी आप चेक करो, अगर लास्ट रो का आपका वैल्यू चेक करना है, x2 of 1 का वैल्यू कितना है?
3.
x2 of 1
4
4, तो 4 आया यहाँ पे, ये देखो 4 आया. देन x2 of 2 का वैल्यू है 1, x2 of 3 का वैल्यू है 2, देन x2 of 0 वैल्यू इज 3. So this is the way how we can write a matrix. ठीक है. Then you just take the multiplication of this with the given one more input sequence, that is 4, 3, 5, 2. Then you just do the simple row and column multiplication and get down the values. मैट्रिक्स कैसा लिखना समझ में आया? क्या कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे किसी को? Yes? Is anyone is having confusion here? Like how to write a matrix? So this is arrows I am just showing you for your understanding purpose. No need all the time you need to draw this arrow and all. This is for just your understanding purpose I am just writing. तो क्या होगा? फर्स्ट पॉइंट 3 into 4 12 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 1 into 5 5 plus 4 into 2 8. Then second 4 into 4 16 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 2 into 5 10 plus 1 into 2 2. Then third row and column, that is 4 plus 12 plus 3 into 5 15 plus 2 into 2 4 Then last row in the column, 4 into 2, 8 plus 8 plus 1 into 3, 3 plus 4 into 5, 20 plus 3 into 2, 6. तो ये हो गया आपका मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ व्हाट आर द फाइनल आंसर्स? फाइनल आंसर क्या आएंगे यहाँ पे? कितना है टोटल इसका?
31.
इज 31. ओके, बताइए मुझे फाइनल आंसर सब. 31 आया.
31,
हाँ,
37, 35, 37.
35, 37. This is same as our previous answer. बराबर. This is what we are calling it as a matrix approach of calculating a circular convolution. मेथड कोई भी रहने दो, आपका आंसर सेम ही आता है. राइट? एनी कंफ्यूजन हियर? कुणाला काय क्वेश्चन आहे का? From boys side, anybody has question? कुणाला काय डिफिकल्टी आहे का इथं? हॅलो, बोला रे बाबांनो. प्लीज स्पीक. Shall I close it now? Shall I repeat? लिखना हुआ सबका?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us take one example for your homework. You just note down that part and you just complete it with the two methods, concentric circle method as well as this matrix method. Let's see how many of you will do it correctly. Note down the question. Find the circular convolution of two finite duration sequence. Find the circular convolution of two finite duration sequence. Circular convolution of two finite duration sequence. X1 of n is equals to x1 of n is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 and minus 1. Then x2 of n is equals to x2 of n is equals to x2 of n equals to 1 2 3 0 0 0 0 using concentric circle method and matrix approach method. Using concentric circle method and matrix approach method. So please do this example. Let's see how many of you will do it correctly in the next lecture, and we will have a discussion on that part. Thank you. I'm going to close the session here.
Sir,
Yes.
roll number 1 present.